I am showing you how to cook a rice for fried rice. Not just for fried rice. We can make a lot of dishes from this rice, from the boiled Basmati rice, if it is perfectly cooked. There are a lot of recipes in my channel like turmeric vegetable rice, egg rice. It's all made of this rice. You can store it whenever you want, pull it out, mix the things, it's ready. Within 10 minutes, everything we can make it out. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 6 guests. We need 3 cups of basmati rice. Wash 3 times and soak for 30 minutes. Place water 15 cups. Salt 5 tablespoons. Oil 1 tablespoon. Bring to rolling boiling. Add the rice to the water. Give a quick stir. Bring to boil. Give a quick stir again and reduce the heat. Let the rice float on the top. As soon as it's float, strain the rice. Using a fork, fluff the rice to the sides. Make a well at the center. After 2 minutes, do the other way around. Keep the sides empty. Pour the rice into the center. Do this process until all the heat is left from the rice and the rice is cooled. You will get a fluffy rice like this.